आज फोन लो, वो आपका अच्छा फ्रेंड है तो जस्ट इंक्वायर।
नहीं सर, मेरे स्कूल में भी नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ऐसे ही पूछा,
नहीं
क्लासेस
नहीं
में मिला।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, अपना फ्रेंड के बारे में वी शुड बी कॉशियस ना। इंक्वायर कि हाउ इज कीपिंग, वेदर इज हेल्थ इज प्रॉपर और नॉट, गेट वेल सून का मैसेज भेजो, है ना प्रथम?
या सर।
ओके। फिजिक्स में डरने का बात है क्या?
नॉट रियली।
सब कंसिडर है ना, किसने देखा है ऐसे ही फेंकते हैं सब लोग। सो आई एम कंसिडरिंग अ बॉडी परफॉर्मिंग लीनियर मोशन और सर्कुलर मोशन।
सर्कुलर।
Circular motion where along the circumference of circle
यस।
Yes.
with center O,
या।
radius r bar,
Yes.
यस।
angular velocity omega bar.
या।
Yes.
Okay. Let the coordinate axis coincides with what? Diameter, such that center lies at origin. So this was our diagram, if you remember, or if you have copied.
यस।
Let r be the radius vector in time t. Therefore, theta equal to omega t. Correct, no?
यस।
Let rx bar, ry bar, sorry, rx bar, ry bar be horizontal and vertical component of r bar. Therefore, by parallelogram law, resultant is sum of two vector which are adjacent sides of parallelogram. This much I think we had written.
Yes.
सब लोग ने इतना लिखा है?
यस।
Yes, sir. Okay. Tell me, what is meaning of I cap, J cap, K cap? Unit vector along
Component
x
along
axis.
x, y axis
ना
and
ना
z
ना
axis.
ना, सुनो, component नहीं है. Unit vector along x axis, y axis, z axis. So if we have a vector along x axis, divide कर दिया उसका magnitude से, तो ये vector vector cancel होके 1 बार बचेगा ना?
Yes.
Same way,
Yes.
vector is along y, divide by उसका magnitude, तो magnitude cancel होके 1 बार along y बचेगा ना?
Yeah.
Same way, z upon magnitude किया तो 1 बार along k बचेगा ना? तो 1 बार along x axis का symbol है I cap, 1 vector along y का symbol है j cap, 1 vector along z axis का symbol है k cap. Clear?
Yes, sir.
अभी 1 मिनट, हाँ, फिर स्टार्ट करता हूं मैं. I cap is ax vector upon its magnitude, j cap is ay vector upon its magnitude, k cap is z vector upon its magnitude. So can I say ax vector is I cap into ax, ay vector is ay into j cap, and z vector is k cap into az. Any doubt?
Yes.
So actually speaking, what I have done, this vector I have written magnitude, direction, magnitude, direction, magnitude, direction. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So you all wrote in your book this Rx bar plus Ry bar. Sahil, any doubt in this first line?
No, sir.
Can I write this is nothing but I cap into Rx? अभी समझा आपको क्यों? ये magnitude, direction, magnitude, direction. Can I write?
Yeah.
Rx मतलब ये वाला थीटा का बाजू वाला ना, Rx?
Yes. Yes.
That will become R cos or not?
Yes.
And opposite wala means R sin or not?
Fine.
Very good. Doubt, then please keep on asking. R sin theta. Theta means omega t, no?
Yes.
Theta is omega t. Theta is omega t. Now tell me, how many of you have not followed till this?
Followed.
चलो कॉपी करो इधर तक.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. We want acceleration, that means we want velocity, and velocity I can get by taking derivative of this. That dad explained. Dr bar upon dt is nothing but ds bar upon dt. If you remember, say आपको बोला था ये dr होएगा, ये change, यही displacement है ना.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
So instantaneous velocity v bar is rate of change of radius vector with respect to time. Rate of change of radius vector with respect to time. You all know derivative of sin x?
Minus cos x.
माइनस cos x. लेकिन अगर sin 2x होएगा तो माइनस नहीं, cos 2x है प्लस,
Cos
फिर
2x.
2x का भी डेरिवेटिव लेना पड़ता है ना, into 2.
Yeah.
So if I take derivative, I constant as it is, r constant as it is, theta changing, so omega t is changing. What is cos का derivative? Minus
Minus
sin
sin x.
omega t. इधर with respect to time है ना,
Yes.
so omega t. But omega t is not omega. Like x is not x, so फिर से we take derivative or not?
Yes.
So can I say again into omega will come, omega t derivative?
Yeah.
Plus j as it is, r as it is, sin is cos omega t into omega t ka derivative. Omega t is like 3x, 4x, 5x omega. So v bar becomes I r omega sin omega t plus j r omega cos omega t equation 2. Copy second equation. So from radius, I got derivative which helped me to get velocity.
Done, sir.
Shall I clear it off again?
Yes.
Now v we got, we want acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration, comma a bar will be rate of change of velocity with respect to time. I'm putting the value of velocity here. Minus I cap r omega sin omega t plus j cap r omega cos omega t. Correct? This was that?
Yes.
Okay. Minus I cap r omega as it is. Sin derivative is cos omega t into omega,
Yes.
and cos omega t is minus sin omega t into omega. So minus r omega square cos omega t minus of j r omega square sin omega t. We can take minus omega square common, I r cos omega t plus j r sin omega t. Copy this much again.
सर r को क्यों नहीं कॉमन लिया?
क्योंकि ये आई आर कॉस जे आर साइन हम लोग को आर मिल जाएगा ना, आर बार.
यस ओके ओके
तो एक फॉर्मेट आ जाएगा इसलिए, और कुछ इसमें अदर साइंस इज नॉट देयर, बिकॉज दैट ब्रैकेट विल गिव मी दैट फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ना, इसलिए ऐसा कर रहे हैं।
ओके सर
हाँ, डन।
Yes.
Okay. So A bar will be minus omega square R bar, correct? Hello?
Yes.
Can I say this is expression for acceleration in uniform circular motion? Okay.
Yes.
This is minus, no? Minus sign. माइनस मतलब ये आर आउटवर्ड इज प्लस, उसमें माइनस किया तो ए इनवर्ड मिलेगा ना हम लोग को।
यस
Yes.
तो ए एंड आर ऑपोजिट वेक्टर ना,
यस
Yes.
सो नेगेटिव साइन इन माइनस मतलब माइनस आर कैप का उल्टा ए का डायरेक्शन, सो नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट्स दैट acceleration is directed opposite to radius vector, that is opposite to radius vector means ulta of radius vector. Radius vector is away from the center or towards the center?
अवे
It is away. So our acceleration is opposite, means where it will be?
इनसाइड
Inside, along the radius and towards the center, no?
यस
That is the acceleration is along radius but towards center, called as centripetal or radial acceleration. What is name of this acceleration?
सेंट्रीपिटल रेडियल एक्सेलरेशन
Why centripetal? Because it is towards center. Why radial? Because it is along radius. So towards center, called as centripetal or radial acceleration. Complete full. Completed?
Just a minute. sir.
Yes.
हाँ आराम से.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. In magnitude A bar, magnitude will be minus omega square R bar in magnitude. So can I say it is omega square R in magnitude?
Yes.
Okay. Also, have we proved that V is R omega?
Yes.
So wherever I see omega, can I write there V by R?
Yes.
So that means A will become V square upon R square into R, which is V square by R.
Yeah.
Again, A is V equal to R omega. Wherever I see R, I can write V by omega.
Yes.
So A will become omega square, R is V by omega. One omega cancel.
Yeah.
A is V omega. That means I have three formula of A. Omega square R, V square by R, V omega. Please copy completely.
Done.
Okay. Therefore, A is V square by R or omega square R or V omega. So you have to remember three formulas for acceleration. Right. Note. Where is radius vector directed? Outward,
Yes.
Yes.
and acceleration vector inward.
Yes.
What is angle between them?
180.
180. 180 means, can we say
Pi.
pi? Yes.
Yes. Pi radian.
So angle between R bar comma A bar is 180 degree or pi radian. Right. First note. Okay. Written.
Yeah.
See, R bar was I cap R cos omega t plus J cap R sin omega t. Correct? I R cos omega t plus J R sin omega t. And what we got V bar as minus I R sine omega t into omega plus J R cos omega t into omega. Correct or not?
Yes.
Is this positive total?
Yeah.
But this is negative.
Yes.
So x component of R and x component of V, are they opposite in sign?
Yes.
Yes.
But y components are same.
Yeah.
That is our one important note. X component of R bar comma V bar are opposite, but y component are same of R comma V are same. Shall I clear?
Understand?
Can I clear?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. You can clear this.
I can clear, huh? Okay. Third point, R bar is I cap R cos omega t plus J cap R sin omega t. A bar we got as what? Minus I cap R omega square cos omega t minus J cap R omega square sin omega t. True?
Yeah.
So here both see x component opposite, y is also opposite. Therefore here both x comma y component of acceleration are opposite of radius. Now we'll say sir ये सब किधर यूज होने वाला है, अभी बताता हूं आपको थोड़ी देर में. Copy it. Done, na? Now I will just explain where this will be useful. 4. If V bar is 3I cap plus 4J cap in UCM, find position of particle. To know position of particle, I will require position vector. It can be in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, correct?
Yes.
So is this positive?
Yes.
Yes.
So Rx will be opposite, means negative.
Yeah.
Just now we wrote the x component
Yes,
of
yes.
and
X and
ry will
R
be
and I
same.
component. Yeah. They're in opposite
So
direction.
R is negative and Y is positive. That means particle is here na, in this particle, in this range. So from this we can get
Yes.
position of particle is in second quadrant. Anybody who has not understood? Shall I explain again or followed?
Follow.
See, from V ka x component, I got R ka x component opposite, negative. This is positive, positive. So negative, positive, position vector R bar means particle is where? In second quadrant. Sorry. Can I clear it off?
Question. Then
Derive expression for acceleration in UCM by vector method. In exam they don't give which method. Here we are doing both. You can solve by any method. I will prefer calculus method. But both I should know so that I can do my entrance sums properly.
yes, sir.
Okay. Derive expression for acceleration in UCM by vector method. This is nothing but circumference.
Yeah.
So at this point, suppose we draw equivalent tangent. Consider a particle performing uniform circular motion with center O, radius r bar, angular velocity omega bar. Let P be the position of particle at the start. Now I will go by vector method. And Q be the position after time tt second. That means this is one radius vector. This is another radius vector. Let angle between them be d theta. Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
No.
How will you get velocity at P? By drawing what? Tangent, no?
Yes.
This is
Tangent.
velocity at P by drawing tangent. And how to get velocity at Q? Also by drawing tangent.
Yes.
So this is one tangent drawn. Same length wala tangent I am drawing on Q. Because magnitude is same, direction is changing. So can I call this as PP1 and this is QQ1? So can I say PP1 and QQ1 are nothing but velocities at point P and Q?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Just draw this diagram part first. Drawn?
Just a minute.
Yes.
Okay.
Turns.
Okay. I'm interested in acceleration, that is change in velocity. So PP1 is one velocity, QQ is another velocity. Are they of same magnitude?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because it is UCM. So if I draw parallel to PP1 here on suitable scale and give the name CA. So can I say it represents velocity VV1 at point P? Velocity V1 at point P?
Yes.
Then QQ1 ka parallel if I draw here on suitable scale. Matlab if I have doubled CA, then CB will be also double, na?
Yes.
Same magnitude but different direction. So CA is initial velocity, CB is final velocity. What will be this called as? Change in velocity?
Yes.
तो रिजल्टेंट तो V2 हो गया ना,
Sorry, sir. Yeah.
तो इसको चेंज इन वेलोसिटी बोल सकते हैं ना हम लोग.
Yes.
अब ये एंगल अगर d थीटा है, ये रेडियस वेक्टर, here is tangent, I rotate this radius vector, come here, this is another tangent, so this angle is, if d theta, so even this tangent will be at d theta angle, na?
Yeah.
Can you analyze that properly? If this is radius vector, here there is tangent, I rotate this radius vector, so tangent will also rotate by same angle and come here now.
Yes.
So if this is angle 30, this will be also 30,
Yes.
and their parallel will be also at same angle 30 30.
Yeah.
So this angle is same, na, d theta.
Yeah.
चलो इतना करो complete diagram.
Done.
Diagram can I clear now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Consider a particle performing uniform circular motion along circumference of circle with center O, radius r bar, with angular velocity omega bar. Let P be the position of particle at start, that is P equals to 0, and Q be the position after time t second. Draw tangents PP1, QQ1 at points P, Q of same length. These tangents, copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. These tangents represents velocities at points P and Q. Draw CA bar, CB bar parallel to PP1, QQ1 on suitable scales. Join AB bar by triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law is when two vectors are in same direction, that is CA and AB are in same. Their total is CB bar. So AB bar is CB bar minus CA bar. So AB bar is V2 bar minus V1 bar. What is meaning of difference? Is it change?
Yes.
Yes.
So I can say thus AB bar represents change in velocity dv bar. Copy this now. Shall I clear it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If this is C, this is CA, this is CB. V1 bar and V2 bar, are they of same magnitude? That means same length. So if I consider this as center, then this will be radius, this will be radius, this will become arc. Na?
Yes.
Any relation between arc, radius, and angle?
Yes, the length of arc is equal to the length of the angle.
We know that length of arc is radius into angle. In maths, you might have studied.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arc length, this arc, is nothing but radius into angle. Na?
Yes, yes,
See, 2 pi r is total circumference.
yes.
So angle is 2 pi. So
Yeah.
any arc is
Yes.
suppose angle theta. When I cross multiply, what I will get? S into 2 pi h 2 pi r into theta. 2 pi cancel.
Yes.
So that's why we can say length of arc is radius into theta. So our length of arc is this, na? Which is same as this because they are very small. This angle is very small.
Yes.
So this is dv equal to radius is like v, angle is d theta. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm dividing both side by time dt. Both side I'm dividing by time dt. So dv upon dt is v d theta by dt. What is dv by dt? Is it acceleration in magnitude?
Acceleration.
And d theta by dt means what? Angular speed
Speed.
denoted by omega.
Yes.
So a
Yes.
equal to v omega. This only
Yeah.
we got now earlier also, a equal to v omega,
Yes.
or a equals to v, omega is v by r. That
V
means
square
v
by
square
R.
by r, or a
Omega
equals
square
to,
R.
pardon,
R is equals
v
to
equal to
omega.
r omega into omega, which is omega square into r.
Yeah.
Copy this much. Today we'll stop here. So in this, I got only magnitude. Direction we will see in the next lecture. That is tomorrow.
Answer.
Everybody is done. Shall I clear it off now?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes, sir.